Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to share one important video on suppose if you are running advertisement from Google Adwords and sometime what happens is they used to suspend your account, right? So like they have done it for my a few 2 to 3 accounts. So to understand the process of how to refund your amount like account, I am making this video. Okay, so first thing is like I have already requested them to refund my account, so that's why this is showing, it's showing like this. Or else if they are asking you to refund, or if you want to like get your money back, so what you need to do is you just need to go to billing, then you can see in this billing transfers option, and then you can see one line like this, complete payment account. Like I have shown another account because my email id, this one, this personal email id, this like this gmail account has got suspended from Google Adwords, and that's why I'm not at all able to run any advertisement from this. And before, like while I was using this, I could use it from different advert account for different purposes or different brands, right? So as now they have banned it, like it has been I think 1 year since they have banned it, but I didn't complete the process to get my money back. So it's like some, for some accounts it was around 1200 something, for some it was around 500. So I'm just showing you how to fix it. So in this I have not checked how much amount, maybe this account does not have any, because I don't think that I have ran any ad on this. So I don't think, yeah. So I'm just showing you how to do it. So you need to go to fix it. You can see on right side like this red button. So click here, fix it. Then they'll ask you for your bank details. So as I have already used my bank details from for another account, so for like another advert account, so I my you can see my like account detail here, but I'm just showing you how to do it. You can see this, add a bank account, then you need to write your name, IFSC code, bank type, current or saving, whatever it is, and then account number, and then it's done. Then you need to submit it, and then it's done. Once you will be completing the process, after that you can see it like this: your account is suspended, we have detected suspicious payment in your account. I don't know what kind of suspicious payment they are talking about, but just that they have suspended my account. I am not at all sure about the reason, but they used to do it for many, like even when you run advertisement on Facebook. So what they do is like they will ban your account. You won't be able to run advertisement for your company's post. So for that matter, if you want to fix it, so what you can do is you can share the access with somebody else. Like if somebody else in your team, maybe in your family member, so you can share the access with that person's Facebook account, and then from that account you can run advertisement on Facebook for whatever brands you are handling. So yeah, so if I want to see it, so you can see it here. And so this is what like it uh, I have like processed the payment. So I have done it for various accounts, like whatever 4 to 5 accounts are there. So I have done it for all. Maybe if some, like for some account it is so small, like 1 or 2 rupees, but it's still I have started the process. Or some, for some it's around 1200, 500. So different charges on my amount was stuck, so I just completed the process. So I should have done this 1 year back, but yeah, again you can see it right here in this account also. Like you need to complete any refunds and pay any. Let's see what's that. So let's fix it. It will show bank account and everything. Okay, so it's just 0.59 rupees. So okay, let me do it too. So I've done it for this account too. So you, like you can go with your Gmail account, and inside this, whatever how many like advertisement account you have created, you need to focus on that. And for all account you need to go and you need to start the process of getting your money back. So maybe within a few weeks or something, they'll get in touch with you, and they'll like return it, they'll refund it for sure. So yeah, let's see for this too. Okay, so 500 for this account, you can see it here. So I didn't yeah, I didn't like ask for refund for this account. So you can see I cancelled it on 11th 2022 because they banned my main Gmail account, and because of that whatever amount I was adding, so it was of no use for me. So I started deactivating all my like advertisement accounts that I have created inside like this main Gmail account. So you can see this 500 rupees can't be refunded. So to process this remaining refund, you will need to select. Okay, let's do it too. Okay, okay, let me do it for current account. Okay, let's go for this one. Within 2 weeks. So it will take around 2 weeks. Okay. So within 2 weeks it will be done. So let me check for other accounts also, because I created a lot of like accounts for to run advertisement. So let's see. So you can also go with various accounts and you can check it. Maybe it was not at all completed, so it would be like it's a smart campaign, so it would be worthless to check it. So let me check for other like it one this one we have done. So I think I've done with all. So let's see. So you can also check and you can also get your money back from Google advertisement, and like if you are not at all able to run advertisement from this account, what you can do, yeah, look, you can see it here also. Like I think here also some money is there. So let's see how much it is and let's apply for it, whatever it is. So yeah, you can also, if you are not at all able to use your Google advert like this, so you can go for it and you can apply for refund process and you can create new one to run advertisement. So yeah, just wanted to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Take care.